just do not! Last time, if we pick the wrong button, we have to pick an ingredient from the bowl of doom! Dun, dun, dun. But this time, there's a twist. If we pick the wrong button, then we have to spin this mystery wheel, and it will decide our fate. Wait, Kingston, does that mean whatever we land on, we have to put it in our slime? Yes, that's how it works, Janice. Oh no! Before we start the challenge, we have shout-outs to Taylor Merrill, Kawaii Panda Girl Cute, Kivan the Only Clink, Michelle, Villianu, Eva, Carissa Slime Review, 150,000 subscribers by June 2019 challenge, Mackenzie Smith, Amber Wills, Denisa Frankova, Janice Slime World, Landa Stones, Jacoby Mason, Kritzel Passagoy, Alina Johnson, Ghost Tube, Sierra May Weeks, Jama Vlogs, XX Elise Ochako XX, Martez Williams, and the Life of JJ Squad. Thank you for your support. If you want to get a shout out in the next video, you need a like, subscribe, and comment down below you did it and that you want a shout out. Rock, paper, scissors! Who gets to push first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Please get the wrong one. I think I should press green. 3, 2, 1. Kingston, now you have to spin the wheel to pick your face out the slime. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, which one did you get? You got pretzels. Guys, I got pretzels. I'm going to dump all of it out! Pretzels! I hate you. My God! I hate you, pretzels! Round 2! Okay, guys, I hope I don't pick the wrong button again. I would choose this one. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Please, what did I get? What did I get? It's pretzels with mustard! Mustard! Stupid mustard! Why? You have to ruin my life, mustard! Why? But now it's my turn! Okay, I'm gonna go for... Glues. I am in shock. Okay, let's do it, boy. Okay, and mustard. 2 and 3, 2, 1. Round 3. I really don't want to lose this, bro, because it has glitter glue. Yeah, I really want to get the glitter glues. You get to push the button. I'm just gonna pick a random button. All of these glues. My first 4 glues.
silver.
I'm only gonna add one in the middle, so it looks like the only Oreo there.
I need to cover all of that mustard.
The cat went in. Round start!
Okay, so I'm really trusting pink right now. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Please get something extremely bad. You got Oreos! Oh yeah! And now I am going to push a button. I really don't want to spin the wheel, so hopefully I get the right one, and I'll get all these beautiful glitters.
No, hopefully you don't get these beautiful glitters.
Yeah, Oreo. I think I'm gonna press green. Yeah! First, I'm going to add red. Whoa, that's so pretty. Wow.
Push the button first.
Yeah. So please don't.
I think I should pick blue. Wait, no, orange.
Yeah. In your face. You get all of those ingredients. That's not fair. I have to spin the mystery wheel.
These are my babies.
Please give me something awesome. Whoppers! No! Not Whoppers! Mine is gonna be like chocolate slime because I have Oreos and Whoppers. They're both chocolatey. Okay. And bloop. No, it rolled off. Stick. Good Whopper. Good Whopper. Now stay there. Stay. Ew, Kingston!
Look at the Oreo. It looks like it has chocolate fudge on it. Ew. Now I'm gonna add my rainbow foam bits. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle it everywhere. Oh! It looks like a birthday party cake. Wow! Now I'm gonna add tons of shaving cream because I need the slime to be very big, where else the pretzels and the Oreos will take over. Okay, let's shake this up.
Adding wow, that's so much shaving cream, Kingston.
Add.
I think that's enough.
Add. Okay, that's enough.
Wow, and now you have to add your
The
gold
final
paint.
ingredient, the gold paint. I'm gonna add it on top of the shaving cream. It's gonna make it like gold. Let's go. So the gold paint is the chocolate syrup and the shaving cream is the ice cream. Yeah, I'm super smart. I'm the new Einstein right here, right?
And the rainbow foamies are like rainbow sprinkles, don't you think?
Now let's mix our slimes.
Wait! First, we got a challenge for you! We want to see if you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell in 8 seconds! You ready for this? Here we go! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done! Hashtag JK Squad!
Wow.
Mine looks like rainbow swirls. Whoa.
I need to mix everything in.
Guys, mine looks like rainbow swirls. It looks so beautiful. Now cover up that thing. Munch it. Boom. That's good enough. And now we mix it. Well, this slime's gonna be super duper glittery and amazing. I wonder what color it will turn. Ooh la la.
Well, I know what color my slime will turn out. Of course, gold. Look at that gold paint and yellow glitter glue and green clear glue. It is taking effect.
So guys, we're gonna keep on mixing our slimes and we'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is our slime. So guys, this is my slime. It turned out to have a really cool color. I added tons of glitter and you can see it in the slime. Whoa, guys, it looks like a rainbow. Whoa, it's also really crunchy. And it can do awesome tricks. Whoa. So if you guys think my slime won, comment down below. #Rainbow Masterpiece.
So guys, this is the second time my slime has been dead. Look at that, guys. Ugh, not even activated. Pretzel and Oreo took over, so I can't even activate it. All I feel is glue and shaving cream. What? Ew. This time the assassinator was Pretzel and Oreo. Why did you do this to me? Why? If you have any information about this assassin, please call my hotline, 1-800-KINGSTON. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to
like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye!
ha ha. Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you liked it.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the icon on the right and a little theme will pop up and you get to subscribe.
Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos.
Remember to like and share.